I do not do designer flat fees. All over Instagram, all over the YouTubes are interior design instructors telling you to flat fee your projects. I started out trying to heed that advice and give flat fees, but my feeling is that it's more fair to people by going with an hourly. And there are some caveats to that, but my time is one of the things that I've lost the most money on, trying to figure out what went wrong, how to troubleshoot problems, how to reorder, return, all of the things that go into a renovation or a design project, and stand by the basic amount of time that I told them that it would be. Stuff always comes up and clients always get free time. When a client comes to me and tries to contest the time that we're billing them for, I just hope that they understand that they've gotten so much of my time for free, because I care about people's projects, I care about my reputation, and because I want to stand by my word.